Product development often involves sourcing foreign CAD data from other design teams and suppliers. Reuse of this data is vital when cost pressures and tight schedules drive production, yet proprietary data formats force designers to spend countless hours in rework. The industry-leading migration tools within SolidEdge deliver even more power and value with advancements in SolidWorks drawing migration. In this demonstration, we'll see how the SolidWorks data migration tool maintains the native design intelligence within 3D models and their association to 2D drawings. First, we'll preview a SolidWorks assembly and its drawing file within the SolidWorks viewing tool. We'll use the SolidWorks data migration wizard to convert the assembly and its drawings to the SolidEdge format. Then, we'll define the source folder and identify the target folder to place the converted SolidEdge files. Notice the left side lists all the parts, assemblies, and drawing files in our source directory. From this list, we'll migrate all of the SolidWorks files. Once the migration has completed, we'll go to our target folder and access the SolidEdge files. Upon opening the assembly file, we'll choose to open a member of the SolidWorks assembly configuration. This shows that the entire assembly information was migrated. As we open the drawing, notice all the original views, balloons, and bills of material have migrated into the SolidEdge drawing. To emphasize how complete this migration is, we'll open up the motor subassembly and view its relationships. We'll use the Assembly Relationship Manager to modify an offset. Remember, this assembly and all of its relationships were completely designed in SolidWorks, yet we're editing the native variables in SolidEdge. Now that's reusing proprietary design data. Think about how much time this will save. Watch as we open the drawing from this bracket part, just as if it was a native SolidEdge drawing. All views stay aligned when we drag any one of them. Back to the part, we'll make several design changes to this bracket using Synchronous Technology, which excels in modifying imported models. Finally, we'll make the bracket taller and increase the angle of the rib by placing a dimension. Making these changes in SolidEdge is just that easy, thanks to Synchronous Technology. In fact, it's quite possible we're now editing SolidWorks data quicker than we could in SolidWorks. Due to these changes, the drawing views are now out of date. Remember, all of the model drawing associativity is maintained, so a quick update solves the problem. SolidEdge even shows us what has changed in the model. In summary, parts, assemblies, and 2D drawings are all intelligently transferred to SolidEdge with ease. Reusing SolidWorks design data in SolidEdge has never been easier. Just another reason to move to SolidEdge.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.